Hello everyone, we're learning SQL from scratch, and in this video we'll cover select and from. So you are 60 seconds away from being able to write your first SQL query. Alright, so the basics of SQL are actually really easy. You use the select clause to select which columns you want to pull, and you use the from clause to specify which table you want to pull the columns from. So how do you know what tables and columns are available in your database? Well, in DB Browser, you can navigate over to the Database Structure tab. And under Tables, you'll see the names of the tables in your database. So I have 3 tables: customers, orders, and products. If I expand any of these tables, I can see the columns within those tables. So imagine each of these tables was like an Excel spreadsheet. And these are the columns in that spreadsheet: customer ID, customer name, and email. All right, so I want to pull all of the customer IDs and all of the customer names from the customers table. So coming back over to my Execute SQL tab, I'm going to select the 2 columns that I want to pull: customer ID and customer name. Make sure to put a comma in between your 2 columns if you're pulling more than one. And I'm going to specify that I'm taking my data from the table called customers. You should always end your query with a semicolon. Now just click execute. It might look like a little play button. And right here in my results section are the 2 columns that I pulled. If you want to pull every column from a table, you don't need to write out each individual column name. Instead, you can just use an asterisk to indicate that you want to pull everything. So I'll go ahead and run this, and there are all of the columns in my table. All right, that's it. SQL does not need to be intimidating. Make sure to follow for more SQL tutorials.